What's going on, guys? Today I have one of these NutroVapes, and this is the relax flavor. This is a curious video. I want to see what is actually inside of this, and I want to go over if it actually works or not, and some of my opinions. So this is a disposable vape from NutroVape. They have many different flavors. Some of them are supposed to help you with anxiety, basically mood changers. This one here is supposed to help you relax. Personally, I think this one does help me relax. However, the instructions tell me to breathe in, vape this, and then exhale slowly. So it might just be me intentionally lowering my heart rate, and that in turn causing me to relax instead of the vape. But I actually was very curious to see what is actually inside of this. So if you pop the top right off, this is the mouthpiece. Down here there is a little LED that lights up every time you suck in on this vape. So we are now just pulling the assembly out. When you do vape on this does warm up quite well. So you will start to inhale some smoke that is warm. Let's try to peel this. So check this out, guys. This is actually pretty cool. We have the LED up top here, a battery right here. It looks like our cotton pad here, and this goes in the center here. But our oil is right here. You can see the cotton somewhat wet. Let's try to see if we could take this part apart anymore. So if we take the top off, we have some LEDs right here. So it is still working. And there you go, that is the whole vape. So LED up here, battery right here, 3.7 volts. The wick, or sorry, not the wick, sort of the heating element right here. The oil again goes on this cotton. So there is definitely oil in here, and this oil may contain those either vitamins or herbs, whatever it is that is supposed to help you relax. So it definitely does contain the oil there, and then just, you know, heats up, heating element, and then it helps with the light to let you know that it is indeed working. And that's it. So that is a look inside one of these disposable vapes. If you guys found the video cool, interesting, please leave me a thumbs up. Check out my channel for technology videos. I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you also subscribe, and thanks for watching.